Yes, after 7 years, I have to say goodbye. 7 faithful years she has been good to me. But I must say goodbye. I know there's somebody out there who will need her. Somebody on my YouTube channel who is a valuable subscriber of me, I believe might need her more than I. Yes. She needs a new home. And I would like to give her a new home. Yes, you heard me right. I am going to give my car away to a lucky YouTube subscriber. If you're a YouTube subscriber of Video Joe's, I am going to give my 1996 Avalon Toyota away to one of them, and I hope it's you. I'll give you more details later. Now, what's wrong with my baby? Not a whole lot, but if you're a viewer of my channel, you know I like to make a difference in people's lives, one person at a time. And if I can help somebody with that by giving this car away to them, then so be it. I am willing to do that. Somewhere in the United States. If you're a subscriber of Joe's, and you live somewhere in the good old US of A, it doesn't have to be Maui. Does not have to be Maui. I was toying with the idea that maybe I would just offer this to any subscribers on YouTube or friends on my Facebook, that you have to be a Maui resident, so I could just leave it here in Maui. You know? I think different of that. I can ship it to somewhere in the United States. If you live somewhere in the United States, doesn't matter where, I can ship this car, my little baby, to you. Okay? Is this a joke? This is no joke. Now, when has this ever been done on YouTube before? Has it? I have no idea. I may be the first, and I may not be the last, but I think I want to do it. I really do. I'll give you more details later. Just keep watching my channel. You heard me right. I'm giving this car away. You've got to be a subscriber of mine on YouTube. Okay? If you're not a subscriber yet, you might want to do that. And one more thing. When you go to my channel and you do all this stuff and